Okay, this is our next mission to see what the boat ramps look like.
Continue on Callville Bay Road for 4 miles.
At Callville Bay and Lake Mead. We already know that there's no water at all for 3.5 miles from St. Thomas Ghost Town. The water's 3.5 miles away. The water is receded below launch ramps, all 3 launch ramps at Echo Bay. So now we're curious about Callville Bay, what it looks like. It's a long journey that we've been on today. Already see in front of you where the bathtub ring, so they say, the white colored from the calcium on the mountains where the water is up there. The Marina is still in use.
What rental office? They're still open, huh?
Take the next left toward Callville Bay Road, then turn right onto Callville Bay Road.
The boat launch is down below us. We have to go back. Oh, it's out of water.
Oh,
Okay, so that was one boat launch area that's out of water. You can't get to it. So maybe you can still use this boat launch here. There's people here with boat trailers, so I assume so.
no. Trailer beyond this point. Wow. No parking. Callville?
Callville.
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 Callville Bay. Callville. Callville Bay.
So the actual boat ramps are not in water anymore. Whole bundle of kids. So the launch is out of the water now. They're backing down into the mud, the launch boats. It says it's closed. Launch ramp is closed. So you're not supposed to go in there.
Yeah.
I assume you can get in trouble if you do.
Boat rentals. A lot of things. Golf cart parking only.
That's terrible. You see over here where the
Huh.
that's the slips where they used to be able to pull up alongside that with the boat and put all your stuff off onto the dock. So you can see people are illegally putting their boats in on the mud there. They're not supposed to use it. So what is that? We should park and walk down. What is it back there? It's just the boat rental area, or what is it?
I don't know.
Is there maybe a restaurant or something like that
Yeah,
there?
restaurant, snack bar, something. Snack bar, store.
Oh, okay. Snack bar and store is all it is.
I
And all those houseboats, I don't know if all of them, a lot of them are rentals.
That houseboat,
Yeah.
like they live there.
You can rent it and go out and stay on the lake for a week or a day or
Oh,
whatever you want to pay for the rental.
the water is very low.
Yeah, it's very low.
It's different from Lake Havasu, huh?
Yeah, we would be underwater here too. This would be underwater. If the water fills up and the lake goes to full pool, this ramp is no longer used. It stays underwater.
And everything there.
Yeah, all that would just keep coming back this way. That's all floating. That all out there is floating.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, all that's just a floating marina. So as the water comes up, they just keep dragging it back this way.
Oh. A lot of people are still here.
Yeah. They could be renting boats or who knows what.
Maybe they stay here like a week to week vacation, something like that.
Yeah, it could be. So at least this place is still usable.
In a quarter mile, slight right at Callville Launch Road.
I think they have restaurant around here too.
I don't think so. Oh, well, maybe that
Yeah.
place up there.
Yeah, that place.
Head west. In a quarter mile, slight right at Callville Launch Road.
Maybe they have restaurant there and have a restroom. You want to go to restroom or not yet?
No, but we can go there if you want.
Or we go to another area?
Yeah, you have the list.
Yeah, I have list. We go to.
You see, they have that boat ramp area is
Oh,
closed
yeah.
off.
Maybe they close too. Because nothing, huh?
But there's cars up here.
Maybe like a restaurant or something
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah. So this area up here is,
Right at Callville Launch Road, then turn right onto Callville Road.
this launch area has been out of water for a long, long time.
Take the next right onto Callville Road.
See, people would have parked their boats and stuff up here, their trailers and everything, because this was the ramp. If the water's full,
Quarter mile,
this
turn
is the
right.
ramp. So this is the primary ramp. That water is that far out. And the primary ramp looks like it ended here originally, and they extended it farther in. This is new. This is a new part. So they extended it farther down to where now it's all not usable anymore.
Oh, like a dry out,
Yeah.
no water. Huh?
Yeah.
Oh my God. That is very bad. Huh?
See, even they had a place where you could walk
Oh.
out to that other dock that's not even in the water anymore. That other, what do you call those? forget what it's called. Anyhow, where you'd pull up with your boat.
Can we go check out the
Yeah.
restaurant?
Yeah. This is horrible. It's so bad.
I think they closed too, maybe.
I don't think so. I saw cars parked in front.
It's motel or what?
I don't know. We'll have to figure that out when we get here. What's the sign there say?
Cannot read. Oh. Go turn here.
See, this is another boat launch right here. Whenever the water's really high, this is a launch. Callville Bay, Marina. Well, that's just that floating deal that it isn't floating anymore. It's out of the water.
Turn right, then slight left.
Star Grill and Lounge.
Oh, so that's a
Hotel?
they may cook there. You may be able to buy some lunch or something.
They closed.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, then
Next left, then turn left.
chain across the door.
Yeah, just abandoned.
I don't know. Go check it out.
Mead. Just go look.
It's swimming right here, babe. Go try it.